wild. I love my job. All right, shall we bring him back?
You know.
No. No? No?
It doesn't rest as much in years.
Should I turn the music back on and see if they'll do anything else?
Yeah. Make them dance.
Make them dance? How about this? You know what? You know what's really neat, guys? And the more... Well, I'm still dirty hypnotist, so what do you want? In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and everyone on stage, sometimes, whether you're a man or a woman, you're going to pretend you're a woman right now, you're going to think you're a woman, and you're going to feel like a woman, which is kind of a nice thing to do, especially, I feel like a woman. But, you know, we're still a little sexual in nature, we're sexual beings, and I'm a love hypnotist. So on a count of 3, you're going to imagine that you're sitting on a washing machine. And it's just chugging away. And it's just tickling between your legs. And that vibration is growing and growing and moving to your legs. And it's getting so intense, you're going to beg me. You're going to be surprised at this one. You're going to ask me, you're just going to beg me to touch your forehead so you can have an orgasm again, to let go that intensity. And 1, 2, and 3. Everyone on stage opening your eyes. And ooh, this feels good. Oh, here comes it. Changing cycle. It's getting deeper, it's getting more intense, spinning faster and faster. Just tickling in those tickly places between your legs. I want you to scream, Sonny, make it stop. Make it stop, my panties are getting wet. I can't take it anymore. There's only one thing that can make it stop. That's the voodoo doll. Someone has to grab the voodoo doll. Someone on stage has to get up and grab the voodoo doll. Someone on stage has to get up and grab the voodoo doll. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, only the voodoo doll has the power to stop it. Me get the voodoo doll. Come on, guys, you can do it. Get up. It just feels so good on the washing machine. You don't want to move. Oh no, the phone's starting to ring. Ring, ring. Oh no. Get the voodoo doll. I'm bringing it back. And wait, your feet right now are stuck to the ground. You cannot move. You need the voodoo doll. Reach. Oh, but your bum's stuck to the washing machine, and your feet are stuck to the ground. What are you gonna do? It's good. You can do it. More. Bouncing that washing machine. It feels too good to get up. Oh no, I can hear the kids coming home. Here it comes. I didn't think it would ever stop. It was wonderful. And 1, 2, and 3. Back to sleep. Wherever you're standing, wherever you're seated. Just everyone to the ground and just letting it go. Nice and relaxed. Nice and safe. This would be a good time to take a picture. With my camera. Just relaxing deeper and deeper. Everyone relaxing 10 times.